Hey guys, I hope you're all well. Today I'll be showing you how to make DIY candles at home. I'll be using these baby food jars that I always seem to have lots of after my niece and nephew come over, so why not upcycle them? Make sure all the jars are thoroughly washed and dried. You won't need the lids for this project. As some of you may have noticed that the jars have some sort of glue on them, you can use acetone to take this off. Unfortunately, I only had nail polish remover, which didn't work at all. Once the jars are clean, you can stick the candle wick down with glue dots. Make sure the candle wick is longer than the jar. Due to the lockdown, I wasn't able to get my original order, so I had to make do with the small length candle wick. Now repeat the same steps with these metal jars. I will add the link below of where I got most of my supplies from. Next, take the wax and melt 1 cup at a time, as it takes quite a long time to melt. Put your heat-proof jar or bowl on a saucepan of water and let it boil on a low heat. You'll have to be pretty patient as this does take a long time and you'll be here for a while. Once the wax is melted and has reached 70 degrees Celsius, you have to take it off the heat. And then you can add in your colour powder. Remember, the more colours you add, the more you have to repeat the step of melting the wax. Is it just me, or does this look so pretty? Leave the candle wax to one side and let it cool down. While you're waiting for this, use the candle wick centering tool and place the wick in the middle and secure it. If you don't have this, you can use 2 wooden skewers and elastic band. Simply tie the elastic band around the 2 wooden skewers on both ends and place the wick in the middle. Repeat this step for all the candles. Once the jars are ready, add your essential oil to the melted wax while mixing it in. Pour the wax into the jars. Now repeat all the steps for each of the new colours you want. Leave the candles for a day to set. If there's any imperfections, use a hairdryer to melt the top. Trim the candle wick and leave around about 1 centimeter. enjoyed this video. For more videos like this, please like, share, comment and subscribe, and don't forget to press that bell icon. Bye.